Good morning, Anarchy Land. This is Tracy, and this is take I don't know what number at this point. We're going to talk real quick, and I mean real quick, about barterable skills. A barterable skill is a skill you have that you can use to secure resources like food, clothing that you or your family needs from somebody who has it. Alright, for instance, you're a top-notch carpenter. There's nothing wood involved that you can't do. Your neighbor has, say, chickens. You need a chicken for dinner. Well, guess what? You fix a fence, and he gives you a chicken. Deal done, finished, over. That is barterable skills. He has chickens. He has a skill of raising chickens, processing them. You have a skill of wood. You can fix that fence for him while he's getting your chicken ready. I see this being needed going out from 2023 on. Why? Well, have you looked at the world lately? Holy smokes. It's absolute mayhem. I'm going to take this week off. Later this week, I'm getting glasses. I'm going to be able to read and see again. Better than I have in 2 years. Because, yes, it's been that long since I've had an eye exam. So, we will get back to reading. We will get back to doing videos as usual later this week. Well, a week from today. Until then, what do you think about barterable skills and having items that you can barter with? I'll see you later.